Righto, Talioto champs. Today we're going to have a look at BenQ treVolo portable electrostatic Bluetooth speaker. I have a deal for you guys. If you're stuck with Windows Home and you want to get Windows Pro, or you just want cheap office keys, gaming keys, or gift card vouchers, head on down to 09, look in the description for the links and a discount code to get even more of a discount. Now these are the world's smallest electrostatic Bluetooth speakers, or just the smallest electrostatic speakers in the world. Now electrostatic speakers are usually reserved for really high-end systems, much better than, the old cone system. They can reproduce much finer sounds, especially at lower volumes. And this thing is like 200 US. So this isn't made for like a bass head. This is made more for an audiophile that appreciates those finer sounds. This will be great for classic music, vocal stuff, mids and highs. If you're a bass head, this isn't for you. This is for an audiophile that's going to appreciate those finer details in the music. So having a look at it, it looks cool. Sort of looks like a satellite to me. I mean, it is high quality, high-end build here. Seems like it's got some sort of metal casing. It's like 1 kilo. It of course is a Bluetooth speaker, 2 electrostatic drivers and also 2 dynamic drivers that are passive radiators, and it has a built-in battery of course, and you get up to 18 hours battery. Well, I was able to get over 10 at least, so it will depend on how loud you listen to your music of course. Looking at the top, I love this thing. So simple. Has a play and pause button. It has a mode for all the EQ modes, and you can get to the 3D sound with this mode. It is NFC compatible, an up and down volume button, Bluetooth button, and a power button. Super simple. That's how you want it. On the back you have micro USB, and you also have an audio jack there. Now of course, if you want the best sound, you want to connect via that USB, you can buy actually 2 of these and pair them together if you want that true stereo sound. But this is great for say a laptop, or you've got a party or a barbecue or something like that. It's very portable. Take it with you down the park, watch a movie on your laptop, or just have it in your nice ultra clean setup because it does look fantastic. So the most important thing here is how does it sound? And it sounds phenomenal. Really good with mids and highs. As I said, with the bass, if you're a bass head, these aren't for you because the bass isn't really strong. It's adequate for this size sort of speaker, but it's not a big bassy speaker. So if you like the doof doof, go to something else. But if you like high fidelity, clean, crisp music, even at lower volumes, you're getting all those details. And the biggest test for these sort of speakers is classic music. Classic music is the one that tests any speaker for the finer details on its dynamic range, and this passes with that. So we'll have a little listen here. Let's see how simple this is to use. Open up the ears. Ooh, let's turn you on. Boom. Okay, turn you on. Let's go Bluetooth connected. Look at that. Automatically connected. Connect to your Bluetooth. And obviously, if you want the best audio quality, you're going to want to connect to it via USB. Let's play. Oh, yes, let's have a listen. Now, I said best audio quality, connect to it via cable USB or your audio cable there. And hit simple, yeah? Play, pause, EQ modes. Easy, simple, and the best EQ mode is that 3D surround or 3D sound, which is great for watching movies. That's a bit more bass than that one. But hear how crystal clear it is. I mean, it's going to depend on YouTube compression, what I'm recording it with, and it will also depend obviously on your speakers. Bluetooth speaker, power, volume, simple, so simple, and listen to that crispness. Oh yeah! So overall, this is a fantastic speaker. I love how it's portable. You can connect to it with your phone, with your laptop, anything like that. It's super simple to connect. An awesome speaker, looks good, build quality. Definitely an audiophile will appreciate this. But again, the bass, if you're into the doof doof, these aren't the speakers for you. These are high fidelity. So anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I do recommend this, and it's going to go nice in my setup. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and until next time guys, tally ho.